Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is success. You can't stop now. You come too far to stop. Every single day, put in some work. Lay a new boulder in the foundation. Make sure that even though you may want to do the whole entire building in one day, you may be too tired. You say, I'll do double time tomorrow. No. Do what you can today, even if it's laying one boulder and then going back to rest. Make sure that you're doing one step at a time. Keep building on your dreams, because the energy that you put into something, that's what the universe, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, they understand. You show up to work every day. If you don't, you must not want to get paid. But when you show up every day and give that effort, they're like, oh, you really want it. You belong here. You've earned it. I grow and thrive in the universe, and I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me towards victory. You see that? Victory is in your sights. Do not stop now. You come too far to stop now. I direct my thoughts towards clarity, nurture wisdom, love, and goodness within me, and I am free now, and I succeed in my life. By you being positive and keep moving forward, you're creating a freedom and a lifestyle of living, not surviving, that you'll appreciate yourself for not giving up and continue to push forward. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.